Hi, I'm Alex the AK Buffalo 04. Today I'm going to show you all how to make pasta bolognese. What we need is a carrot, celery, onions, and garlic. Let's chop them up, shall we? Vegetables are chopped up. Let's cook them now. Now all we need here is oil. Oops, wrong one. Now swish it around, just like that, so the oil goes all over the pot. Now we'll chuck the veggies in. Now we're just going to stir the vegetables around so they don't get stuck together. When the onions go brown, you chuck in the meat. We're going to have pork and beef mince meat to chuck in. Now to mash it up. Okay, the meat is cooked. Now to chuck in the cans of tomatoes and passata sauce. The spices you'll need is salt, ground black pepper, oregano, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, one dip of thyme, or maybe just two, and 2 bay leaves. Make sure they're not ripped apart or broken apart, the bay leaves. Almost forgot 1 teaspoon scoop of sugar. Now we'll just let it sit there and cook. Okay, time to fill up the pot of water for pasta. Okay, we've got the stove running. Now we put oil on the pasta, so the pasta does not stick to the ground. Now just let it boil. Okay, when the pasta is boiling, that's when we put in the salt, and then chuck in the pasta. Let's chuck the pasta in, shall we? Okay, after cooking the pasta, before we put it in the drain, we must taste test first. Sometimes you cook the pasta a bit longer until it's ready. Okay, the pasta is ready now. Time to drain it. Well, my dinner is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and comment below. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again.